got a call this morning saying that the S4 is done. We have an Armytrix exhaust installed on it. However, this exhaust does not fit around the sport differential. Oh God, I can hear it. So the solution right now is to just have a fabricator go ahead and fix. At this point, my life is just full of half-finished projects. Whatever. Sounds like my 335.
Yeah.
Does it just have no mufflers now?
Yeah.
Wait, what? The OBD doesn't fit? Yeah. Oh. Oh, rev it real quick. Oh, my ear rings after that. Way too loud.
Yeah. They would have clarified that the exhaust would not fit with the differential. Would have been fun.
So you didn't clarify it at all? That it wouldn't fit with the diff?
Not on ECS website, and then I don't think on Armytrix either. I'm not trying to hit on them, but...
Bro, it's like giving me a back massage. How much did it cost though?
I think 3.2 after taxes.
Not bad, not bad.
I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Should I just keep it like this?
No, man, I'm gonna be honest. That back massage don't feel that great. Yeah, it's got those G. It's got those DSG farts. I like it.
Need some custom fabrication.
All right, so finally got that exhaust on, complete with mufflers and everything. Hopefully it won't be this obnoxious. I think it's gonna be a lot better now. What do you think it's gonna be like?
Definitely a lot quieter, which is good. Hopefully it won't rattle like it did with the ECS exhaust. I'm excited. Can't wait.
Okay. Sorry. All right, so I thought this car was gonna be done. It's not, so I got changed in the work outfit. Man. All right, so all the work is done, so I'm just gonna go take this thing out on a test drive real quick. What's up, G?
Are so confusing.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan either. That sounds good though.
Yeah, it's working. There we go.
You just had to go through your phone?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, now let me see. Button mode. Okay.
That's loud.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this thing is too much fun.